We are working on 2015 Silverado. We are changing 4 speakers. This is the rear door. First thing you're going to do is use a panel popper and remove this. And remove this. Of course, you got to use a panel popper to remove that. And there are 7 mil screws here. Is it 7 mil? There's 1 here, 2 down there. We're going to remove that. Those are removed.
Here. Down.
There's 1 more down, all the way down. And we're going to take the panel popper, start from the bottom. Just simply pry that entire door panel out.
Wait. Don't take this up. Pull it back.
Forward?
Yeah, because it's difficult to pull it back.
Oh, that bottom, the molding? Alright, so what Ricardo is saying is instead of push upward, you're going to pull straight toward to you. Separate that molding from the door panel. Otherwise, this thing is difficult to put it back on. Okay, then remove this switch. Okay, and it's obviously equal to 6.5 speaker. All right, so front door speaker, you're gonna remove that cover just like the rear one. 1 here, 1 there. There are 2 7 mils, 1 7 mil. The other one had a screw down here, so there is 2 screws down here as well.
Also, this.
Okay.
We're gonna open
We're
this.
gonna remove this silver trim in the middle. Use a panel popper.
Start on the bottom.
Start from the bottom.
Yeah.
Comes out.
See this?
It slid up like this, so you gotta start from the bottom, pop and bring it down because it wedges up here.
Remove 1 7 mil.
And there's a 7 mil all the way on the corner. 7 mil by the release handle. And 2 inside that pocket. And 2 on the bottom. So total of 5 screws we're gonna take out. And these are all 7 mils. Now same thing, just like the rear door. You're gonna pull straight forward toward to you like that, not upward, because you don't want to have this gasket molding goes upward because it's difficult to put this back in, you see. So it's pull straight out this way, not upward. And you just simply disconnect the harnesses.
This has a little lock here. You gotta pull it back and push.
This that little burgundy one, you gotta push upward and pull this back, then this releases.